There's cops everywhere around here, surrounded by police stuff.
This place
they don't seem
looks
to give
pretty
a shit
strict.
about anything that's going on with this building. And it looks like the inside shows.
Tons of computers stacked up over here. This whole hallway is all computers.
There's nothing interesting back here. Unless you really like 90s technology. Like Casio disc title printer. It's just a label maker for printing onto CDs.
All the drywall is cut off at the same height.
That's interesting. A lot of vandalism. Which is crazy because we know people who were here a year and a half, 2 years ago. The place was mint. Went downhill fast. But I don't really think you can blame it being posted on social media and stuff, really. It's just the fact it's in New Orleans and it's wide open. This is gonna happen.
Old smart board.
Is this a Herman Miller chair?
That is.
Sure looks like one.
It's a nice one.
Let's see, yep. There it is. Herman Miller logo. All these scrappers hauling metal out of here. They don't know that the real treasure is right here.